Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and create your LinkedIn business page. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, once you have logged in inside your LinkedIn right here, what you want to go ahead and do is to go ahead and click for business button. Now, once inside, you want to go ahead and browse down until you see the create a company page. And inside create company page, you have three options that you could go ahead and choose from. You have company, showcase page, educational institution. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on company right here, and you should just go ahead and fill everything up. So right now, we have the name of the organization. I'm just gonna go ahead and type right here, YouTube guide. And for the second tab, we have the username of the account. You could just go ahead and customize this. I could add some numbers, but I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it at this default. You could also go ahead and put your website right here, your industry, which is technology, information and internet, organization type, and we have the logo and the tagline. Now, after filling everything up, just go ahead and click on I verify that I am authorized representative of this organization, and once done, just go ahead and click create page, and in that way you will be able to create your LinkedIn business page. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.